Okay, so you place your order, paid your deposit, and you're probably asking yourself, what is happening with my building now? After the deposit is paid, your project doesn't just sit untouched waiting for installation day. There are several important steps happening behind the scenes to help ensure your building is manufactured correctly and installed as smoothly as possible. To understand what happens next, it helps to first understand what a pre-manufactured building actually is. A pre-manufactured building is a structure where many of the building components are produced in a controlled manufacturing facility before they are delivered to your property for installation. This includes major structural components such as base rails, trusses, leg and framing components, and roof and wall panels. Instead of building everything from scratch on site, much of the work is completed ahead of time in a controlled environment. Once those components are completed, they are transported to your site where the installation crew assembles the building. This process helps reduce delays and improves consistency from one project to the next. Pre-manufactured buildings also offer several important advantages. First, they can be cost-effective. Because components are prepared in advance, material waste can be reduced. On-site labor time can be lower, and overall installation costs can often be reduced. The streamlined process allows projects to move more efficiently compared to traditional construction methods. Another benefit is faster installation. Since many components are already prepared before delivery, installation crews can often complete projects in days rather than weeks. Less on-site construction is required, and the entire process is typically more efficient. Consistency is another advantage. Because components are produced in a controlled facility, measurements and specifications can be more precise. Quality control is easier to maintain, and materials can be prepared specifically for your building design. However, there are a few important things customers should understand. Upfront planning matters. Once manufacturing begins, changes become much harder to make. If major decision changes are requested after production starts, they can delay the project, increase cost, or require materials to be remanufactured completely. That's why finalizing your design details early is so important. It is also important to remember that metal buildings require experienced professionals who understand structural specifications and proper installation methods. Pre-manufactured buildings offer major advantages when it comes to speed, efficiency, cost control, and consistency. But the process works best when your design and details are finalized up front. The better the planning before manufacturing starts, the smoother the entire process usually goes. And now, when you ask, what's happening with my building now, you'll have a better understanding of the work taking place behind the scenes before installation day arrives.